As of October 17, 2025, Harare is witnessing heightened political tension and planned mass protests, led by fugitive war veteran Blessed Runasu Geza, also known as CD Bombshell. Here's a summary of the situation. Blessed Geza, a former ZANU-PF Central Committee member and war veteran, has called for nationwide protests against President Emerson Mnangagwa, accusing him of state capture, corruption, and attempts to extend his presidency beyond the constitutional limit of 2028. Geza, currently wanted on sedition and terrorism charges, released a video urging Zimbabweans to rise up and flood the streets from Plumtree to Mutare, Zambezi to Limpopo, coinciding with the ZANU-PF annual National People's Conference in Mutare, October 13th to 18th. Nelson Chamisa, former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, has refused to participate, citing lessons from the 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe. He warned against being drawn into ZANU-PF's internal power struggles and emphasized the need to address disputed elections as the root of Zimbabwe's crisis. A civic group, Peace Loving Zimbabweans, PLZ, has urged citizens to stay home, warning that any violence or destruction during the protests would be criminal under the Maintenance of Peace and Order Act, 2019. They emphasize peaceful protest is legal, but any escalation could lead to arrests. Police have reportedly deployed across Harare and are monitoring the situation closely. Marches are planned to target homes of political figures on Friday, followed by a larger march to State House on Saturday. The protests are seen as part of a succession battle within ZANU-PF, with Geza allegedly aligned with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, who is believed to be positioning himself to succeed Emerson Mnangagwa. Mnangagwa's allies, including controversial businessmen Kudakwashe Tagwire and Wicknell Chivayo, are accused of capturing state institutions and looting resources. Zimbabweans are reportedly divided, with many expressing frustration over economic hardships, poor public services, and political instability. Analysts warn that while Geza has support among war veterans, mobilizing broader public participation remains uncertain, and the risk of violent escalation is high.